Sai kun sa wako kun Jonathan kun teki tanu kun ikes ne nuo oni sarate ne sino kun näitä ovat arlo ne kahonde ata nikun ratsera. So I'm Jonathan Wanda and I'm here today. We're going to talk about firearm safety. Specifically, specifically, how do we use this? What is this? Well, if you don't have one, you don't know. This is where we're going to learn. It's a trigger lock. Trigger lock. I don't know how to say trigger lock in the language, but here we're going to learn how we're going to use this today. So come on a little bit closer and we'll see. You're going to be given one of these trigger locks and it's going to work with the key. Simply put the key in there, turn it, and it's going to open. You're going to see that there's going to be some pins here that are spring activated, spring loaded. These are going to hold very close against the trigger guard right here, and they're going to work to hold the trigger in place. This is going to go in between the trigger and the trigger guard. Once this is in place, your firearm will be completely safe. How do you put that on? You put one side under here. And the other side goes in here. Squeeze it and you'll hear it clicking. And your firearm is safe. Alright, so now that we've put the trigger guard on, I want to show you how to take it off. It's as easy as it was putting it on. You take your key, you're going to insert it in here, and turn it. And it comes off. Very simple. For very simple steps to keep your firearm safe at home. This is all about firearm safety, and this is all about firearms education. This is a very important tool. As fun as they are to own and shoot, we have to remember it's a tool with very specific uses, not to be taken for granted. And this is the best way to keep it safe for you and your family and the little ones that you have at home. And remember, if you have a gun safe even, much safer. Trigger lock, gun safe. If you're interested, these keys are going to come with a little information tag on here. So if you want more information on the trigger lock, you can refer to that. Thank you for your time.